astronaut. A man barely alive.
Gentlemen, we can rebuild him. We have the technology. We have the capability to make the world's first...
Well, it's Patdees 72. We just left Orange County Choppers, and I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to get any of the planes. Oh my God, but when you drive past this place and you see just how big these planes are, I mean, these planes can hold like 10 vehicles. You know, that's how they, you know, transport military vehicles. And, you know, it's just open now. I just realized that the wind might have caused a lot of that to sound awful because I held it out the window and the wind might have been blowing. So, no, I don't really. Damn, I've driven by here before and I've seen some of these planes. I don't see any. That sucks. Alright, well, let's make our way. We're to Orange County Choppers, or Paul Jr. Designs. We called there. They're open till 6 o'clock, and it's almost 4 o'clock here. Decided to kind of stop over at Paul Jr.'s place because never actually been there before. My older son has taken a day trip and come up and have been here before, but I've never been here before. Been to all the other places they've had. From what the GPS says on the phone, Paul Jr. Designs is about 8 miles away from Orange County Choppers, so it's probably closer to where their old shop originally, probably like 20 years ago, was, but not quite sure as I haven't driven around here in a while. Really nice Saturday. Say, Denise. There, is that it? No. Is that it? No.
Your destination
Yeah.
is on the left.
There it is. Yeah, right across from the new Hamlin dealer. Yeah. Hold this. Don't touch my buttons. Patdees 72, and look where I'm at. Paul Jr. Designs over here in Montgomery. in New York. So we're going to check out inside. I've always wanted to check this out. And tonight, I love the brick building. And hope you enjoy the video. Thanks. Wow.
I feel like they overcharge for everything, but not English.
It's cool.
They close later, but I'll leave you ice cream. I'm gonna put someone in the car. Ice cream.
Look at that. Ooh, look at that. The grenades.
None of them. He's not gonna tell you. If I owned one of these bikes, my car. Oh, I'm not gonna tell you which car mine. Here's a hint. My car.
This is nice.
Ring the bell.
I got that book.
I should. I really should.
Ooh, look at that.
No,
That's
no,
just
I'm
$10.
not a hard Mexican person. I take the soft twist, maybe chocolate.
Spider-Man bike.
Chocolate, mixed swirl, other stuff. Yeah.
It's a small shop, but that's all he needs, you know?
Or I get a chocolate ice cream.
Oh, now what are all these pins? Plate people?
I get the ET Sunday with
Business cards inside.
Carvel.
Yeah. There's a spider in there.
Oh, yeah. You know that it's not doing it, right?
There's Mikey.
Because they had it next to the other ice creams and people were Oh. That's terrible. I'm like, so separate the machine. Yeah. That is the best ice cream here. Separate the machine. I don't know. I'm a stickler for Richards, but my neighbors recently started going to Weir's, which is in
The Black Widow.
I don't remember where we.
That's cool too.
Weir's is somewhere.
That's a neat looking sign.
9W. I don't know where it is, but I've heard it's good, and I've never stopped. You gotta try.
Pegasus.
There's that place with the batting cages.
See, there's behind there he has.
Yeah, I know. That's exactly. Yep. That's, oh my God.
Oh wow, look at that little engine. Boy, is that cool.
You know what it is? I don't want to drive for my ice cream. I like having that instant gratification of just getting right up the road to Richard. Done.
I love this bike. Look at this bike.
I can bike there in 2 seconds.
Cool.
What did you say? Which place you go to? Like right here, we go left? Take a left. Yeah, I can't tell you it'll be open or anyone will be there. No, I met anyone in the shop here. And I guess Moses, wife was there at the time too. Yeah, I remember. I know she lives in Pennsylvania. Yeah, I've never met her. So where do you move back? I don't know. I just assume he lives locally because he owns the shop right here. But he might. Well, he worked for OCC. Yeah. And Mike lives in New Jersey, our Army. So I walk to the shop, the doors open. So I walk to the shop, he comes running out, like reading, saying hi, everything. He wasn't even born yet. My other one was 80, right? You know, and that's when he built. What bike was it? Wolverine bike, I think it was? No, it was a college basketball team bike. Okay. It was the first bike that he built. He just had it out.
Wow.
Like that. And he was building the other bike.
Look at those signs. This is a nice little shop. This is all you need.
No, the business. Oh, yeah. Then the next thing he wasn't there anymore.
That's cool. Look, but don't touch. Build off to like. Yeah, that's beautiful. Look at that, even an MLB baseball bike. They had to fix that bike because the tank had gotten some damage. Wow, look at that. Look at that bike. With all the rivets. It's a nice looking place. Looks like, yeah, it's like a museum. That bike, that has something to do with John Lennon. That, there he is in that picture. That's right. I think that's the one that the son, Julian Lennon, gave. That was John Lennon's original bike. I think that's him with his son right there on it. Look at that, the history behind something like that. One of the Beatles have one of the Beatles bikes in here. That's cool. I'm gonna get a T-shirt here. Look at that. These are old. Old Harley Davidson. Look at that. Look how cool that. This is laid out very nice. Nice blend. I love the big. I don't know if Junior designed all this or not, but laid it out very nice. It's cool. Hey, Patdees 72 here. I hope you like this. Paul Jr.'s design is obviously smaller than Orange County Choppers, but I tell you, it really looks like a motorcycle museum, and everything seems well laid out and thought of, and it really looks great. Fabulous. I mean, he did just a great job as far as the signs and how everything is. And you know what? It's really, that's all you need. He didn't have to go big like his dad did. You know, where his dad is more of an entertainment center / restaurant over there. Paul Jr., I'm going to send this to you. I know we've talked before on Facebook. I hope you like it, and get a chance, like and subscribe to my channel, Patdees 72, and hope to see you and talk to you again. All right, bye. That shirt I want if they have. That's a nice shirt.
Are you ready, Gun? Hello. How are you?
How you doing?
Where are you coming from?
Pennsylvania.
Nice.
Yeah, this is my first time here, but I've been up to the Orange County Choppers a bunch of times. But I've talked to Junior on Facebook and stuff.
Very nice.
Yeah, I live not far from Rick.
Well, yeah.
Yeah.
Was it Rick? I knew Rick.
Rick lives in Pennsylvania. You were thinking Vinny. I have no clue where Vinny lives.
Vinny lives here.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I knew one of them. I got mixed up. I knew one of them lived in Pennsylvania.
Yeah, he lives in Pennsylvania. His the Harley Davidson dealership that he works for, they just built a new building in Tannersville. That's where he's going to be working.
Very nice.
Yeah. He was driving 3 hours, 4 hours a day.
That's insane.
Yeah.
That might be, you know what, the money's there.
My father's been driving 2 hours into the city, 2 hours out of the city for 38 years. Oh, look. 1940s. No, that was 1960s or 70s.
What?
It had too many windows to be a 1940s.
You don't have any of this
I missed the
t-shirt
orange car that just came right off the road.
T-shirt and 2X?
No, we did not. Not in these supposed to be.
Oh shucks.
Oh, it's coming around the thing. Maybe it's one of ours. Or it's another customer who's got an old car.
Junior's not here usually on Saturdays?
Not.
No.
Oh, he's right here. Orange car's right over here.
What kind of orange?
Remember one?
Yeah, he's right over here.
Kind of.
That's not a 50s. That's a looks like an old five window.
It's like an old Ford.
Yeah, an old five window.
So I was right the first time. It was
Yeah,
30s.
it's probably
Right here.
40.
40 it's in the 40s. Huh?
The only reason, yeah, no, that's what I'm saying. He's not Moscow pen. Although I've been to Carlisle for game many times.
Yeah.
Right up near.
Yeah, they got a nice shop here. I'm gonna share this little video I made with Paul Jr.
Very nice.
So, what's your name?
I'm Nick.
Nick.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, Nick. So your boss will probably see this later.
Sounds good.
All right.
So long as you don't get me cursing him out earlier.
No. You just better tell him to get more T-shirts. I like these.
Right, well, we have them. It's just, well, we don't have them right now.
This is the shirt I
The
want.
thing is, we get so many people coming through here, we sell out of them.
Yeah.
quickly.
Well, that's what they.
And the thing, once winter turns to summer, spring turns to summer, because it's starting to get hotter and hotter.
Right.
every
That's
day,
what they want. The
It's
T-shirts.
tough to see what people are going to be buying. 'cause
Right.
We'll get blindsided. We'll buy a lot of T-shirts, and then people are like, oh, where are the hats? You know, man.
Yeah. I got one of these books for Christmas when it first came out or something.
Yeah, it's a nice book.
Yeah.
Good read.
Now that he's back on TV, I've seen his even Facebook explode more.
Yeah.
Yeah. They used to be, I met them when they were down at the shop not far along here. That's going back to.
Oh, I've lived here my entire life, basically.
Yeah.
I know the whole.
Yeah, you were only 1 or 2 years old back then.
Yep.
Yeah. Yeah, nice bikes. Now, are they going to do another season, or?
We're on hiatus, so I'll find out if we're going to film another season when I walk in the doors and there's a film crew here again.
Now, have you been on any of the episodes?
I've been on one for 5 seconds. I'm
Yeah.
like the alien from Signs. I just walked through the frame for a few.
That's it?
Yep.
Do you get a credit for that or no?
We would have been more, but they kind of cut out a lot of the pranks that each of the shops did.
Okay.
They didn't have Paul, Mikey, or Nick.
Okay.
No, I don't get a credit for that. I mean, I could claim a credit for that on IMDb, but it's so little.
Yeah.
I'm not an actor, so I'm not looking to get, you know.
Well, the guys are.
I've been an actor. I don't want to be an actor. I don't want the high profile life. I want the success. I don't need the fortune, but a comfortable life.
Yeah.
House and family, that's fine. I want enough money to have a roof over my head and explore my passions.
There you go. Oh, that's cool. I didn't even notice that before. That shark up there.
I feel so from the bomber.
Yeah.
And you get Miss Earhart over there next to the women pop power from the wind turbine.
Yeah. He did a great job laying this out. It looks very nice. Yeah. Now, does Rachel still have the boutique?
Yes, it's up the road, first left, first right, 4 buildings down.
Yeah, it's probably not open now.
It is.
Oh.
11 to 6.
Oh, okay. She's probably not up there, though.
Maybe not.
What's the little guy's name? Hudson or something? Yeah. Look at that. All right, well, thank you.
Thank you very much.
Yep, have a good day. You ready, Denise?
Thank you.
I'll have to order one of those shirts my size online. If that's his building too in the back there. Don't have, well, you can, oh, okay, yeah, you can park back here, but, oh, okay. There is parking back here, to park back here, which I didn't even realize. So we park next door into like a contractor. So if you want to come up, you can actually park back here. So anyone who come visits Paul Jr. Designs, there is some parking, looks about 15 cars in the back that you could park here. So it was a Saturday, and there was an office building here next door that we parked to. Didn't say a tollway zone, so. But it's nice. It's nice. Okay, this is where the original Orange County Choppers. Now, I'm not talking when Senior did it in, off the steel, but when they sort of started the TV show, and we actually came here and met them several times. I actually have a picture of Paul Senior here and Paul Junior, and but this was one of their original places that they worked out of, Orange County Choppers. So just thought I would show you this. This is less than a half a mile down the street from where Paul Jr. Designs is. So it's a little bit of neat history, and it's actually a big building. I realized they should have just stayed here. I remember one time coming here, and Christian was working on a bike or something here, and he closed the door. Guess he didn't want to be harassed or bothered, I'd say. So. But just a little history I wanted to share with you, and hope you liked this video and like my channel. Please like and subscribe, and Patdees 72. Thank you. Bye.